Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have a pretty cool unboxing. We have the Hot Wheel premium set. I think it's like Spettacolare. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce that. But we have some pretty awesome cars in this set. And before we get started in that, I do want to mention that I still have the giveaway going on my merch store. And it's for this Lego Fast and the Furious Nissan Skyline GTR R34. And it has a little Paul Walker minifigure in there. So whenever you go onto my merch store and you buy stuff, you'll get entered into this giveaway. There's going to be a link in the description down below. I do have a bunch of automotive related products. I also have a bunch of Hot Wheels on there with mainlines, premiums, RLC cars as well, but also monster trucks. I do have some new RLC cars on there recently and a bunch of brand new for 2024 Hot Wheel mainline cars, and a bunch of other stuff is coming all the time. I do case unboxings, which means I get a lot of new Hot Wheels coming in all the time, new product updates like almost weekly, so definitely go check it out, link in the description down below. And let's go ahead and get started into this unboxing. So on the back here it has all the cars listed. We have the Alfa Romeo 155 V6 Ti, the Lancia Stratos, the Lamborghini Countach LP 5000 QV, Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4, and the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. So boom, that's all the cars right there. And if you guys don't remember, these are the cars that pretty much came out as the standalone right here. So I'm going to go ahead and we got all those cars right here, kind of like in the carded form, and boom, there is the entire set. So if you don't remember, this is the set that we are going to be doing the container opening with. So if you guys haven't seen, I do have a video on these, and the video is on my channel. It was a little ways back when these did come out, but I just recently picked up this new container set on Amazon. So if you guys are interested in picking up one of these, there will be a link in the description down below for that as well. You guys can hop on to Amazon and pick one of these up, and I think the set's going to be really awesome. And let's go ahead and get the knife, open this up, and start checking these things out. Alright, so I wanted to just cut in real quick just to say that this entire set is available on my merch store, so if you guys are interested, definitely go check it out, link in the description down below. And now back to the video. But like I said, there was links on there. I was kind of surprised one day I was just on Amazon looking, and these were on sale, so I just went ahead and picked one up. So now let's go ahead and bust this open. And I love how it looks like an actual shipping container, and then on the ends it looks like the actual doors with the Car Culture logo there. Let's see. I don't know if they're going to change it up for the new year, but we will see. And then in the end, I don't know if you've ever seen a container set, but there's like the end of the shipping container, and when you slide it out, that's what it looks like. So I'm just going to set the box aside, and alright, it's already opening up for us, but there we go. So boom, that's what it looks like. You have that giant Hot Wheel logo, you got the Car Culture logo there, and then like the name of the, kind of like the series, and then kind of like the end of the shipping container on either side, which I think looks pretty cool. And then the back, bottom, and top are all plain. But I think this is like a really cool display too, just to be able to have like set up. I think that looks awesome. But as you guys did see, it went ahead and jumped the gun there. I do also want to point out there's like little tabs that stick out on the bottom, and on the top it has like little holes, so you can even stack multiples of these. But let's go ahead and open that, and boom, there are the cars all lined up in there. And they do kind of fit in there kind of interestingly. I'm kind of surprised how they do that, but I mean, I think it looks pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and pull out the plastic. I know it kind of fits in there kind of weird. Alright, there we go. And I'm just going to go ahead and set the container aside, which I'll set it right there. But let's go ahead, I'm going to lay this down and then kind of go over each car individually. Actually, let's just set up top here. So this is the Alfa Romeo, which these are obviously a premium cars, so they are metal tops, metal bottom, and they even have real rider tires as well. And this thing looks so good with all the added detail on there. I really like the way that looks, and then obviously all the decals and stuff on the side. The back is super detailed, more decals everywhere. But this thing looks absolutely incredible, and I think it looks cool. You can even see the roll cage there in the back, and then like I said, it has real riders tires. And the bottom looks really good. I really do like the matte black bottoms when they do that. I think it makes them look a lot more clean. But yeah, and then there's the front. I don't know if it really showed that. So next up we have, actually it just hit me, there's two Alfa Romeos, two Lamborghinis, and then one Lancia. So here's the Lancia, which looks really cool, and boom, you got it right there across the top. But wow, I think that looks really, really cool. I really like those wheels as well. And I have actually seen one of these in person, and they look wild. But dang, that is a crazy looking car. And then even right there on the bottom of the duckbill, it has a text there. It says Lancia, and then I can't really read the rest of that text there. But I think that looks absolutely amazing. Put down in the comments down below which one of these cars is your guys' favorite, because I think this whole set just looks really cool. Let's go ahead and do the other Alfa Romeo, which this is more kind of sleek, more subtle. It has their 4-leaf clover on the side of the stripe, and then their little logo there on the hood. The detail looks really good on the front end of that car, and even like on the back it looks pretty good as well. The license plate is just kind of like a normal looking plate, and then it says GTA 1300 Junior, I believe, right there in the text on the trunk. So that's kind of cool. But boom, even the wheels look pretty good, and then the bottom of this is matte black as well. The Lancia, yeah, they're all matte black, so I don't know if they're all like that for the set. Actually, no, the Lamborghini, this next one, the old school Countach, actually has a yellow painted bottom, but we're going to go ahead and check this one out next. So this is like the original looking Countach, which looks absolutely amazing. This car, it definitely looks really good for its age. And even like in the modern era, like that would really stand out on the road still. The thing is absolutely crazy. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about that one. And like I said, yellow painted bottom. Man, this is really cool. It even has like all the little Lamborghini logo, the text on the back. It's so small that you can barely even read it. Well, I think that's awesome. And then the new one for the case, or I guess the new one, is like kind of like a new limited edition remake in real life. So it's kind of like a throwback to the original Countach, which looks, I think this looks really, really cool. I believe it's based on like an Aventador like chassis. It does have the V12 as well, but now we're kind of getting into like real car talk. But I think this looks really, really cool. They did take a lot of the design aspects from the original and kind of put into it. So let's see if I can kind of stack these here. You guys can kind of see like that giant intake on the side. The main kind of shape of the body, the front end looks very similar. I think Lamborghini did a really good job with kind of making that new kind of version of the Countach, but just like in a limited form. But I think this whole set looks absolutely amazing. I don't know if I can line these all up on this shipping container here, but let's try. I think that might look pretty cool. Boom, there we go. I think that looks really awesome. Have all the cars all lined up right here. So let me know down in the comments down below which one of these is your guys' favorite. And also let me know if you guys want to see more of these container sets, because there's a bunch of these sets that have already come out. I've only done one other one so far, and it was the Exotic Envy. Yeah, so it was the Exotic Envy one. And I think that looked really awesome. Some of the cards were like super amazing. But let me know if there's any of the other ones you guys would like to see. Like I said, link in the description down below. You guys can pick up this set on Amazon. And don't forget to get entered into the Lego Nissan Skyline GTR. And this giveaway ends on January 31st, so definitely make sure you hop on there before then. There's going to be all the other rules and stuff on my website as well. There's going to be a giveaway rules tab, so definitely go check that out. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, because I have a lot more coming. I also do YouTube Shorts with every single day uploading Hot Wheel racing videos, so definitely go check all those out. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.